In this video, I'll show you how to set up Face Unlock on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So go to Settings. Under Settings, you want to scroll down and select Password and Security. Then select Face Unlock. Tap on that. Then if you've not set up a PIN, password or pattern, you'll be prompted to do so at this point. But if you have already set one up, simply enter it to verify yourself and then tap on Start Recording. Now you'll be urged to position your face within the frame. Like that. And now your face has been registered. So you can tap on Done to complete the process. And now you can go back, lock your phone, and let's now try to unlock the phone with our face. And as you can see, my face has now unlocked the phone, and that's basically how to set up Face Unlock on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Thanks for watching, take care, and God bless.